Very good morning, friends. Today, December 11th, Wednesday. Usually, Bank Nifty expiry in the account, but after changing it to monthly expiry, so as you all know, there is no Bank Nifty expiry today. So first, இன்னைக்கான லெவல்ஸை பார்க்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எஸ்டர்டே மார்க்கெட் எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கிளான்ஸ் பார்த்துடலாம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த நிஃப்டி சார்ட். These are the levels yesterday what we have shared. So yesterday afternoon shorts upload பண்ணியிருந்தேன். We got a good PE opportunity in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, but compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty is a confirmed scalping PE opportunity, a good trade from here to here, almost 50 points. But after some retracement, even though it touched our almost near to our retracement golden levels, Fibonacci 0.618 level. So from there it's a pullback around 110 points. So probably it would give some CE scalping trade as well. So CE trade possibility nu pathina, so from here from this candle or this candle we have a good CE scalping opportunity. So exactly 3 p.m. almost 70 points. What would be the 500 Nifty 24,600 December 12th 550. We can check with the in the money option. Same like a PE trade, 24,600 above 120. We got some good opportunity. So like that in CE side as well, it's also a scalping opportunity, not the big move. Above 125 we got 20 points. At least we have captured 10 points. It's a scalping opportunity, pure scalping opportunity, because after இப்போ expiry monthly expiry change ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் there is no big volatility in Bank Nifty we are getting on expiry days, that is on Thursday. Other than that, Nifty also in the muted state. 20 points. This is our target. 10 points. 10 points stop loss, 10 point target. We got it in a single candle as well. Okay, fine. These are the things. Nifty. Yesterday's market, there is no big movement as I stated. Next, Bank Nifty. Same Bank Nifty as well, there is no big opportunity, big confirmed opportunity. Maybe we have got some points from this intraday support level, that is from here around 200 points we got in CE side. PE side, that is not a confirmed opportunity, but we have scalped around 20 to 30 points we can scalp. So these are the levels which we shared yesterday. There is no bigger movements in Bank Nifty as well, fully scalping opportunities. But whatever it is, scalping is best for nowadays market. என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி due to the expiry changes big movements இல்லை, but scalping we can do by proper stop loss. We can do scalping also. Repeatedly I'm telling, use stop loss trailing method to save your gainings, not the capital as well, even gain as well. Use stop loss trail. Okay, these are the things happened yesterday. Next we see the levels for today's market. So these are the levels for today's market, December 11th, Wednesday. So these are the intraday resistance level and this is intraday support level. So we can, so again I'm reminding, today also we can expect some flatted kind of market, so just wait for the perfect opportunity. So don't look for some bigger opportunities, just from the given levels try to capture small points, then from there we can trial and get big points if we have a good move. So 670, 24,670 is a intraday resistance. If it is broken, we can have some momentum till 24,750. So இன்னொரு விஷயம், எக்ஸாக்ட்லி 670 ப்ரோக் ஆயிடுச்சு, 15 minutes கேண்டில் ஸ்ட்ராங் கேண்டில் ப்ரோக் ஆயிடுச்சு, கன்ஃபார்மாக 80 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகும்னு எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஆஸ் ஐ டோல்ட், ஜஸ்ட் உங்களோட ரிஸ்க்கை ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ராப்பராக மேனேஜ் பண்ணிக்கங்க. எவ்வளோ பாயிண்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு தேவை, ஈவன் தோ நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுற பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மேபி அவர் டார்கெட்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி பிக், பட் அந்த டார்கெட்ஸ் அச்சீவ் ஆகலைனாலும் so we can trial the stop loss to save the profit, not the capital. Okay, this is the first level, 24,750. This is next target is 24,800 or 810. Then the final target is 24,880. So based on gap up or gap down we can plan the trades. So until 9:30 to 9:40 just wait for this market settlement, then we can proceed with the trades. This is the downside levels. This is 24,570 is intraday support. Then first target would be 24,520 to 500. This is a small support. Also the Fibonacci 618 retracement level. If it is broken, then we can expect around 80 points, 70 to 80 points downside. So just plan the trade accordingly. Next, Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed around 53,600. So please know that this will be a retracement level. From there we can see an up movement, or from there we can see downside movement. So please consider this level is an important level. So இதுதான் today Bank Niftyக்கான levels. Intraday resistance would be 53,650 and intraday support would be 53,330. So first target for upside would be 53,750 to 780. Second target would be 54,000. Third target would be 54,200. Then downside also same. It is 53,053 is a strong support level, also Fibonacci 61 right level. So if any huge fall occurs, gap down or gap up, we can see a retracement from here. If suppose further fall, then 52,750 would be the next target, and then 52,500 would be third target. So if a fall occurs, then we can expect some range bound, then a fall in the end of the day may touch 53,000, or early morning market lay fall ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா maybe end of the day we can see upside from here. So please watch out the levels, trade with stop loss and stop loss trial. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today's market. Okay, thank you, all the best, have a profitable day.